What if you could take a messy spreadsheet, hundreds of rows of sales data, customer feedback, or inventory logs, and turn it into a visual report, a written summary, and even business recommendations, all in under 5 minutes? That's what AI can do now. No data science degree required. Today, we're going to show you how to automate your data analysis using AI, what tools to use, how they work, and how to start seeing patterns and trends in your data you might have never noticed. This is Automation Ace, and this is how you take the grind out of growth. Let's be honest. Most businesses are sitting on a goldmine of unused data. Sales reports, support tickets, customer surveys, shipping records, all of it just sitting there. Why? Because turning data into something useful used to take hours, maybe days. You'd have to clean up messy formats, build formulas or pivot tables, figure out what you're even looking for, then build charts to explain it to your team. By the time you're done, the opportunity's already passed. That's where AI comes in. Modern AI tools can now handle almost every part of the data analysis process automatically. You upload your file. You ask a question like, what were my top performing products by profit margin last quarter? And the AI runs the math, generates the visuals, and explains the result in plain English. Some tools can even write up a summary and send it to your inbox. It's fast, it's accurate, and most importantly, it's scalable. Let's look at the tools making this possible. First up, ChatGPT with advanced data analysis, formerly code interpreter. Here's how it works. Upload a CSV file with your data. Ask a question in plain language. Let the AI handle the math, charts, and logic behind the scenes. It can build visualizations, calculate correlations, compare time periods, and flag anomalies, all without needing Excel formulas. It's like having a data analyst on standby 24/7. And the best part? It explains what it's doing. So you're not just seeing results, you're learning from them. Take a small e-commerce shop in Minnesota. Every Monday, the owner used to spend 2 hours exporting Shopify data, building a weekly report, and emailing a breakdown to her marketing team. Now, she uploads the CSV to ChatGPT, asks, summarize my sales by category, compare it to last week, and list any products that dropped by 20% or more. Within 60 seconds, she's got a paragraph summary, a sales chart, and a heat map of underperformers, ready to forward to her team. She didn't just save time, she started spotting issues earlier and making decisions faster. Next, Obviously.AI, built for non-technical users, where ChatGPT helps analyze historical data, Obviously.AI helps you predict the future. For example, upload past sales data. Ask, which customers are most likely to churn next month? It runs a prediction model, giving you a list with confidence scores. No code, no setup, just drop the file in and get results. It also creates shareable dashboards and text summaries, perfect for small teams that want insights without a full BI department. Now let's talk text. If your data lives in customer reviews, support tickets, or survey responses, MonkeyLearn is your tool. It uses natural language processing to extract meaning from raw text. You can detect sentiment, positive, neutral, negative. Auto-tag topics like shipping delays, pricing issues, or product feedback. View the results in live dashboards. This is especially powerful if you're swimming in open-ended feedback and don't have time to read it all. Here's how to build an AI-powered data workflow. Step 1. Export your raw data as a .csv or .xlx. Step 2. Choose a tool. ChatGPT for general analysis, obviously. AI for predictive modeling. MonkeyLearn for open-ended feedback. Step 3. Ask one clear question. The more specific, the better. Step 4. Review the outputs, charts, summaries, flagged issues. Step 5. Save those outputs and use them in team reports or dashboards. And here's where it gets better. Most tools let you schedule automated runs, meaning you can set your reports to generate every week with no extra clicks. Here's a quick breakdown to help you pick the right tool. Use ChatGPT ADA if you're asking broad business questions and want visuals, plus explanation. Use Obviously.AI if you need predictions or want to model behavior without knowing ML. Use MonkeyLearn if your data is mostly text and you need fast pattern detection. Each tool solves a different piece of the puzzle, and they play well together. Start small. Pick one data set, like last month's sales. Ask one question. Look for one useful insight. Don't worry about setting up full automation on day one. Just get that first win. Once you do, you'll never go back. Want to try it yourself? We've linked everything below. ChatGPT, ADA, Obviously.AI, and MonkeyLearn. Click one, upload a file, and unlock your data. This is the future of business, and it's available now. This is Automation Ace, where we cut the busy work and build smarter workflows. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time, where we automate everything, one tool at a time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and automation hacks. See you in the next one.